Hey guys, Satish, I'm going to go and show you how to get started with Zoya. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it started. So first thing you'll do is go to zoya.io. You're going to go ahead and click on sign up. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on premium. You're going to click purchase, okay? You'll go ahead and sign up. You're going to go and enter your name. So I'm going to put my name here. Put your email right there and your password right there as well. Once you're done, go and click on sign up now. Okay. Now, keep in mind it's going to say trial for right now. Okay. Please be aware that it's going to be upgraded to a lifetime account. Okay. So if you go here and click on settings and subscription, it's going to show you this. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. We're going to take care of it. Okay. We're going to go ahead and go to your email. You're going to find your email. You're going to confirm your email as well. You got to do that, okay? If you don't do this, it won't let you do a lot of things. So it's going to look something like this at this moment, okay? It's going to say premium trial. Now, next option, next step is to go to our Google form and submit a request. So there should be a link on your thank you page. You're going to go there. You're going to go and enter that same email that you used to register. So for me, I guess that's one this email I created, and you'll enter it here and click submit, and that's it. It says 48, but it's going to take less than 24 hours. So next time you come in again next day, this is going to be something else. If I refresh it right here, and guess what? It says Premium Plus. Okay, so this is what you will see once your account has been upgraded. When you go back here to settings, if you go to subscription, it's going to say lifetime plan premium plus. Okay, keep in mind that your account is fully functional while we upgrade you. You don't need to worry about anything else. Okay, now next up, let's go to site settings. Now this is where you're going to go and create widgets. Okay, widgets. Okay, so here's how it works. So you can create two kinds of widgets are inline widget, or you can create or floating bar like this. See right here. Now keep in mind that when you're on this page, this button right here, so if I do this, it's going to change, right? Like this. Keep in mind that this is just for visual, for example, if I click on this, it's not going to work properly. So just letting you know on that one. So this is just to show you what your system will look like when you go ahead and put it on your site. So let's go here, and what you need to do is pretty much just walk through it, just play with it. So for example, right here, button color, man, it's up to you. You can do whatever you wish. Say button, let's see, that looks good, you're good. You can choose this to see where you want it. I don't think you can see it right here. So like this, okay. So make the changes, whatever you need to do. So when people click on it, you can change all of it. So widget name is whatever you want to call it. Display name is, for example, it says widget title right here. So we can change it up to, let's see, let's say this is for my website, satishgear.com, right? Hey, would love to show this to you, like that, right? And I can click on white label it. Yeah, white label it means it's not going to show our information. Yeah, if you want to, doesn't make sense, it's fine. Save widget, so take it out. So yeah, see how it means. So keep in mind that this demo right here, it's not going to it's not a functional version. You have to actually put it somewhere. So right there up here it says satishgear.com. It changed because we added it here. Let's see, that's right there. And name required or email required, you can just make the changes right here. And you can also go ahead and change things like thank you, thanks, I will get back ASAP. Max, it's up to you. I can do 3 minutes, 1 minute, depending on whatever you want to do. Font types. There's a lot of things that you can do. So you can change the icons. The icon could be, whatever you wish. So for example, we can go here like this. If you want to put it like this, send recording. Of course, yeah, and that'll be it. And if you go down, you'll be able to see this right here, widget embed code. This will put it as a floating bar. Now, if you want to add multiple of these, you can click on add widget. You'll go and give your widget a name. So for example, let's say this is for my different site, next webinar. And I think I wanted, I don't know, maybe dialogue, maybe like this, on actual so dialogue means the floating one, inline means it's like iframed. Okay, so whatever you want, you can go back, and I think there's more information for you to read if you want to. Everything's explained right here, all of it. Okay, everything I'm talking about. So you go right here, right, and hey, you can copy this stuff up. Sweet. Now, if you want to collect list, at this point we're using Mailchimp. You can get a free Mailchimp account. You get over to settings, and you can go to right here, add Mailchimp account. You can log in and you can connect to Zoya. And let's see what else. Site settings, we got that. We covered that. One more thing, site settings. Okay, make sure to actually read the setup. Read this because it tells you where to put the code. Okay, please do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you go ahead and put it up somewhere, it's going to look something like this. I'm just going to give you an example. Just an example here. So here I added it as feedback, right? This is where I added it on my site. I can also add it on my WordPress as well. I added this as an inline. So if I go to edit page, I just copied and pasted this iframe code. Okay. Now keep in mind this is an inline, meaning it's actually inside the page. So this one is a floating. This is called a dialog box. It's a floating box, pretty much. You get the idea, right? Now, so people can come up here and they can send you a feedback, or record an audio, whatever. So if I record audio, hey, this is Satish. How are you doing? Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Okay. And hey, this is Satish. How are you? And I can go ahead and put in for demo purpose. I'll put this here, and I can go and send it. Right. You're gonna get an email that's saying that, hey, you got this on the system, and it should arrive on the inbox. It's not going to arrive here because that account is, I haven't set that up. So I'm gonna go to my other account, because the account I was showing you, I just created it in front of you, right? So here you're gonna get this, right? You have a choice of viewing it. You can also go ahead and respond back to it. Hey, like this, you can say, hey, blah blah blah. You can record an audio or video. It's up to you, however you see fit. So it's a two-way system, simple, very easy to use. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, that is sent. You'll see if you have sent it, you'll see it right here. So video, start recording, screen recording. So you can record an entire screen, right, or application window, depending on what you want. The entire screen works like this. So you click on it, record. Okay, now there is a stop record button right here as well, so it's up to you, right? And it's on the side, so I can go and open up my terminal and like that, and then I can stop it, and it's gonna go and play all that out right here. Yeah, and I can send it back to whoever sent it to me if I want to. Okay, and it might take a little while depending on the video or audio. That's right there, yeah. And let's see. And that is pretty much it. Bookmarks will be shown here. Library. This is if you create a recording and let's say for example, you come up here, right? You create a new recording and you keep it, it's gonna go and stay in the library. So inboxed is what you receive. Sent, of course, sent. Bookmark is what you bookmark. So for example, right here, sorry, not that. If you click on bookmark, your special ones will be here. Library is what you record and keep it for yourself. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Voice recording. You can share this up if you want to. I need some water. Hold on. And it should be right here. And you can download it as well. Testing right now, testing. And that's it. You can do whatever you want with it. And